Welcome to Cosmic Tennis, a game focused on improving your reaction time and precision motor skills. The goal of Cosmic Tennis is to hit the fireball past your opponent, the red paddle, to get points. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. You control the blue paddle's movement along the right side of the screen. When you lift up, you move the paddle to the top of the screen, and when you flex down, you move the paddle to the bottom of the screen. Press Next. The fireball will bounce off of the red and blue paddles and the top and bottom of the screen. It will change color based on who hit it last: blue if you hit the fireball, red if your opponent hit the fireball. Press Next. There are also valuable power-ups that can show up in the middle of the screen. Try to pick these up by having the blue fireball hit them. Hopefully your opponent won't get the power-ups with their red fireball. Press Next. You can aim where the ball will reflect from the paddle by hitting the ball with the top or bottom end of the paddle. Press Next. While you play the game, I will be helping to line the middle of the paddle with the ball if you are not able to get there on your own. As you improve, I will help less and less as you do more and more of the movement. Remember to always try your best to move up and down to play the game. It's your effort and practice that will improve your movement. Press Next. Once you score enough against the red player, you will continue to the next level and eventually the next world. If you miss the fireball and get scored on, you will lose progress towards the next level. Try to get to as high of a level as you can,